What's up guys, welcome to my another video of travel vlog series. Today we are going to explore the enchanting landscapes of Lauterbrunnen. We pay a short visit to a beautiful town called Wengen. Returning to Lauterbrunnen, we'll take a breathtaking ascent to Staubbach Falls, a majestic cascade waiting to be conquered, and in the end we go for an amazing dinner in Interlaken, and then we return to Lauterbrunnen to fall asleep at our hotel. Let's begin the journey. This train ride was hardly 10 minutes from Lauterbrunnen to Wengen, and if you are traveling using Swiss Pass, this train ticket up to Wengen is covered in that Swiss Pass. So don't forget to miss that opportunity to visit this beautiful town of Wengen. And if you do, please don't forget to grab a seat on the right side of the train to capture these beautiful views from the window of this train. The train just goes in one direction, so there really is just one right side. The views even from this train station of the beautiful Lauterbrunnen Valley were amazing. However, we were very hungry and we spotted an Indian halal restaurant on the map, so we were going for that. Going for the lunch, Indian restaurant after a long time. Funny thing, the Indian restaurant was closed. However, we did not actually plan sufficient amount of time for this beautiful town of Wengen, and we were in a hurry to go back to explore Lauterbrunnen. So now when you plan your trip to Lauterbrunnen and you plan to visit Wengen, please make sure you stay at least 2 nights in Lauterbrunnen so that you can do justice. This picture gives a perspective that Wengen is a town situated on the mountain and you can see Lauterbrunnen Valley from the top. Now since the Indian restaurant that we were looking forward to do lunch was closed, now we are even more hungry, so we didn't spend more time in Wengen. We had a little one with us, so we just went back within like 2 hours. We caught the train. It was an 11-minute ride again. You might notice there are so many tourists, obviously because this was a peak summer holiday time. This train ride was beautiful. You can see the valley hiding behind those clouds. We could see the rain was gonna come over. This train station was a surprise. There were so many people, it was so crowded. What else did we expect? It was a peak summertime. All those people with those colorful flags are the tour guides waiting for their people, the ones who have booked them. So if you come over in the summertime, please expect it to be rushy. And there you go, it's raining. We had to look for cover, and honestly we were running out of time because we were just in this valley for one day. So after some time we were like, let's just go ahead and explore whatever we can. So we went for a stroll. We were walking through this beautiful town. We found this halal restaurant. Link in the description. The food was amazing. You should give it a try. An amazing fact about this valley has 72 waterfalls. However, Staubbach Falls is the biggest one and it's clearly visible. We were going for that one. This is where I start my climb. It's going to be very funny though. I think it's doable. Almost there. In order to go inside, you have to go from tunnel. Bye. There you go. Right, right, right. Oh boy. Oh boy. पहुंचने वाले हैं. Beautiful view, but a few more steps. It took me around a total of 35 minutes to pass through this long queue. Even though I was waiting in this long queue, the view on the left side was so beautiful. Like, you just look on your left and there's an amazing view of this green valley of Lauterbrunnen. It's just beautiful. It looks like a wallpaper in front of your eyes. Look at me all excited saying almost there. It really was satisfying and felt a big achievement to actually climb that big steep mountain and caves and stairs to reach the waterfalls. This was a hike and it took around 45 minutes to reach up here, and this is it. People have pictures. Here, waterfall down. There it is. Little mist on your face. That's it. The end of the falls. The falls are. Now we're heading back. Okay, steps. Here's the view. Even when I was returning, there's a long queue waiting for the people to go up there.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is anything special there or not?
Sorry?
Is anything special there?
Yeah, very nice. The view is very nice.
Okay, thank you.
Just
Yeah.
the view is very nice, or is there other things?
Yeah, just the view is very nice. You can't even touch the water.
How many kilometers is it?
I think it's gonna take like 15 more minutes. People spend time taking pictures. That's it. It's not that far. People are curious how long is that gonna take. So I just told them that it's just gonna take like 15 to 20 more minutes, and that should be it. It's just that people are taking so many photographs because they spend so much time climbing on the top of the mountain, so they wanna take good pictures of themselves. There's so many caves and nice steps made so that people can, you know, easily go up and down from here. They've got like a rope which you can hold. There's water on these steps, makes it slippery. Yeah, it's all worth it. And now I'm heading down where my wife and my kiddo is waiting, and now we'll go for the amazing dinner in Interlaken. हम लोग जा रहे हैं इंटरलेकन खाना खाने के लिए, क्योंकि मछुआरे को कबाब नहीं खाने. हमारी 12:30 नहीं 8:30 बजे ट्रेन है. 8:24 हो रहा है, 25 हो रहा है. हमें 7 मिनट में ट्रेन स्टेशन पहुंचना है. वो ट्रेन आ गई. प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2. ये हमारा होटल का नाम भी लिखा है भाई, होटल सिल्वर हॉर्न. क्या ट्रेन के अंदर वॉशरूम होते हैं? मुझे जाना है. भाई इसमें नहीं चढ़ना, ये फर्स्ट क्लास है, हम सेकंड क्लास वाले हैं. फर्स्ट क्लास है. You must be asking, why did I come to Interlaken? It's because my wife wanted to eat something Pakistani. So, since the Indian restaurant was not open, we came for a Pakistani restaurant in Interlaken. चलो आ जाओ। ऑडी खड़ी हुई है बड़ी प्यारी सी ऑडी खड़ी हुई है प्यारे से शहर में। That's the bus that took us back to our hotel at night. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you really want to watch more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.